Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video, we are going to look at a new task in PT Core, respond to a situation. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to crack respond to a situation type of question. You'll get to know what the task is, what the marking criteria is, which template did I use in this particular task where I've got 19 speaking and 90 overall and 19 all the modules as well, where you can practice this task and see if you're doing it the right way or not, right? I'll try to keep this video to the point and short so that I can give you maximum content in the minimum time possible. Try to take notes if possible so that you don't have to waste your time again and again. That will help you work more efficiently and effectively. Let's get into the video. I'll share my screen and everything is going to be crystal clear from this video. As you can see in this particular screen, what happens in respond to situation type of question? You'll get an audio demonstrating a situation. The audio will be around 20 to 30 seconds long. Remember this thing? The same situation will be given on the screen as well. So the audio will contain or speak the same thing which is given on your screen. For example, the audio in this particular question will be, you saw a sign in your apartment building that a neighbor Fred is selling his car. The car is perfect for you. So you call Fred to ask about seeing the car in person, but he doesn't answer. Leave a message. What do you say in the message? So this is the audio which you'll get. The transcript of the audio will be given on the screen. While the audio is going on, you may take notes. If you want, you can take down notes. I'll recommend you take notes. After the audio, once the audio stops, you'll have 20 seconds to prepare. And after 20 seconds, your recording will start. You will be given 40 seconds to reply or give your response. This task will only give you points in speaking, no other module. And you'll have 2 to 4 respond to a situation type of questions in your test. This will be the fourth task of the speaking module. I got 4 in my test, so you can get 3, 4, anywhere between 2, 3, and 4. This is assessed on 3 parameters. You get 5 points for fluency, 5 for your pronunciation, and 3 for appropriacy. Appropriacy is basically your content, right? So what is fluency? Fluency means speaking in a flow. You don't have to go too fast or too slow. Just speak as clearly as possible. Speak in a flow. Avoid any kind of hesitations and self-corrections. Make sure you do not go too fast or too slow. Speak in a natural flow. Avoid unnecessary corrections or pauses. Pronunciation, you get 5 points for pronunciation. This means that you need to speak clearly. It's not about your accent, it's more about whatever words you speak. Every word should be, clear and easily understandable. And you get 3 points for appropriacy. Appropriacy means basically means that whatever situation has been assigned or given to you, you are answering according to that only. It's not that you have just memorized a situation at home and you're giving the same answer, exactly same answer in all the questions. So basically, remember this thing, right? Respond to situation question type is basically, it's not something which has a fixed answer. Let's say one situation is given to 100 students and all the 100 students giving out correct responses. No two students will have the same response. What will be common in all the answers or responses are the keywords from the situation. For example, I've been given a situation where I want to buy a car from marketplace and I have to contact the owner. You and I may have different words of expressing the situation, but we will use words like car, marketplace, owner, second-hand car, whatever words are given in the question. So basically, appropriacy means answering to the question. But how do you tell? Because there's no human marking, there's no human intervention. A system or a machine is going to check your answer. There's no fixed answer. How will computer come to know that you're giving the right answer or not? Computer will look for keywords to get full points, 3 out of 3 in your content or appropriacy. You can say you need to have around 6 to 7 keywords at least from the question or from the audio. I'll show you how you have to include as many keywords to maximize the chances of you getting a higher score. Around 6 to 7 keywords at least. If you can have more, that's better. Again, you do not need to focus on meanings, but you need to focus on keywords. You don't have to stop. You have to speak around 25 seconds. Use only single keywords. Don't take very long keywords, only one word per keyword. If you have less keywords, you can repeat the same keywords, but do not stop. Use the template. Template works, but you have to use it properly. I use this in my test. I've got 90 in speaking and 90 in all the modules as well. Don't worry about your grammar. Don't worry about your reputation. Don't worry about your vocabulary. These are not important and not marked in PT speaking. Only 3 things are marked: fluency, pronunciation, and your appropriacy. Now, this is the template which is proven, which you have to use, but have a look carefully how you have to use this. Any situation you get, you just start. I understand that we're going to talk about keyword 1 and keyword 2. First of all, I would like to say that keyword 3 and keyword 4 are important. Obviously, we have to use words here from the question. In addition to this, we should also take care of this and this. If it is possible, please inform all the concerned members about this and this. Also, next time we'll discuss about this and this. This all would be of great help. For example, this is a situation. You can, what are the keywords? Sign is a keyword, apartment is a keyword, building is a keyword, neighbor is a keyword, Fred is a keyword, car is a keyword, then car, person is a keyword. I understand that we are going to talk about apartment and neighbor. First of all, I would like to say that Fred and car are important. In addition to this, we should also take care of Fred and car. If it's possible, please inform all the concerned members about answer and message. Also, next time we will discuss about building and sign. This would be of great help. If you feel that you are, you're not even able to go 25 seconds, what you can do is you can add, two more sentences over here. Also, next time we will discuss about building and sign. Furthermore, we can also talk about neighbor and friend. Moreover, we can talk about person and answer. This all would be of great help. So you can add one or two sentences where you just have to speak few keywords from the question. Now, a lot of you might be thinking that how is this even, possible? This is not even making sense. This is not even the right answer to the question. Trust me, I've been teaching PT for last 6 years. It's not about making sense. It's more about addressing the marking criteria. Computer is going to mark you on three parameters for fluency. Computer is going to look for the flow in your voice. Whatever you're speaking it without unnecessary pauses and hesitations. For pronunciation, computer is going to look for your clarity. Make sure whatever words are easy for you, you have to speak only those. Do not speak any word you're not sure. You get 3 points for appropriacy. For appropriacy, I've told you at least 6, 7 keywords from the question. You'll get full points. Computer is not going to sit and look for the accuracy of your content. It's the only thing system is going to look for is the three parameters on which you're marked, which are fluency, pronunciation, and content. And if you satisfy the marking criteria, 100% you'll get the scores. To practice these questions, you can just go on languageacademy.com.au, register, go to PT Core, practice questions, see what score you're getting, what mistakes you're making. And before you test, please make sure you take full score mock test and section mock test as well, so that you have a clear idea of what mistakes you're making. Because whatever mistakes you make in the mock test, there are very high chances that you'll make similar mistakes in the actual test as well. So I want you to make sure that you do not repeat the same mistakes which you make in the mock test, so that you can get your desired scores and you do not waste your time and money. This is it from respond to situation question. Very easy question, yet scoring question. So don't be overconfident, but practice and don't stress about it. And if you follow these things, 100% you'll get your scores. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. If you're looking for classes, we do provide online classes. We've got a lot of students studying from Canada right now, from US as well, from England as well. Anyone who is planning to migrate to Canada, we have got classes, physical classes in India, in Australia, and in Nepal as well. So you can opt for any. We will make sure that you do not waste your time and money, and you get your desired scores in the shortest period of time. If the video was helpful, do share it with your friends, your family, anyone who is preparing for PT course, so that along with you, they get their desired scores as well. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Now go on languageacademy.com.au, practice, and success is going to be yours. If thousands of students are doing it, every day, I've done it, you can do it as well. Don't stress, just play it smart, crack your PT using the templates.